What's up, guys? Welcome to part one of 3D printing an RC car. In today's video, we're just going to be building the body. I think it came out really good. We got the video to follow along, and I got some super glue and some activator. So the activator causes the super glue to bond instantly, so it's very helpful with all the modeling. But you do have to be careful. I got it on my fingers so many times. I actually glued my fingers together think a couple of times. Um, I tried to wear gloves, but they just kept getting stuck on the parts and then ripping. The front was really easy to go together. It went together really nicely, but the walls and the roof really got me.
Breathe you like a cigarette, lovesick, I'm feeling it. You're not the one, but I still want you like the beat in my chest. Lovesick, I'm feeling it. I know you're not the one, but I still wanna light up. Breathe you like a cigarette, lovesick, I'm feeling it. You're not the one, but I still want you like the.
Soon after this, I just ran into a bunch of problems. I had built a few pieces wrong, and it was just a lot of things I needed to figure out, so I had to take a little break. So 1 week later, I discovered that the problem was I had glued one of the pieces on the back wrong. So my plan was to use the Dremel to cut through it, but that didn't really go to plan at first because I didn't realize that I hadn't charged it. So it was very low battery and it just wasn't cutting. So it took me like an hour, like 20 minutes longer than it needed me to. And here, I just kind of hit a wall. I just ran into a bunch of problems. Uh, Also, one thing is, you can see it. You can definitely tell it was my first time building something like this. Like, there's a bunch of holes, and I know I'm a perfectionist, so it's probably just that. So it really does stick out to me. So, so you guys probably don't really notice it that much, but there are unfortunately imperfections. So I would do this again. Like I said, I had a lot of fun with it, and I still gotta do part two, which is actually building the chassis, and part three, which is gonna be like getting all the electronics in.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so ran into a wee little problem. Also, I reprinted some parts, but this ain't sit in the way I need it to, because you see how crooked that is when it's like lined up. So we're gonna try and fix that.
Music licensing reimagined.
So my super glue dried out, so I had to go back to my workshop area, and I just had to hot glue it because I was at the point where I was just like, I just needed to finish this up and just move on. So this is the final product. This is where we're gonna end it off for now. Expect a part two in like 3 weeks after that. And yeah, that's all I got for now. See you guys when part two comes out.